Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack files using RAR app on your Xiaomi 12 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to find the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in the XIAOMI camera, and here are a few images. Now I'm gonna select each image that I want to pack. There are 3 of them right here, and press this plus button right here. Now you'll be able to customize your RAR or ZIP file by changing its name. So let's change it to pictures. We can set the password for our archive. It's gonna be simple with 1, 2, 3. If you're not sure that you typed it correctly, you can check it by showing the password right here. You can also encrypt the file names. So now let's just press OK. And next thing is to change our extension for the file, and you can change it to RAR or ZIP or RAR 4.x. Let's change it to RAR. And you can also delete the files after archiving and create solid archive. Next options are advanced, and you can change any of them right here. And there's a few more options right here as well. Now go to comments in order to leave any comment about your archive, which will show up when we open the archive. I'm not gonna do that. And after we've set up everything, we can go back and press OK to pack the files. Now as you can see, the picture dart RAR was created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.